So I've had some reservations about making this video because it's about life insurance. And unfortunately, so many people, the minute you hear life insurance, they shut down. And the reason they shut down is, unfortunately, they've probably been accosted by a high-pressure life insurance salesman. So as a result, a lot of people just don't want to listen. So I'm going to try to give you information about life insurance in a non-threatening, informative setting so that you know what life insurance is, you know what types of life insurance there are, and how they're used. And I won't be calling you or emailing you after this. So here we go. On term, there's basically two types of life insurance. There's term insurance, and by the very definition of its name, term insurance is designed for a term, a period of time. And so typically those products are 10, 15, 20, or 30-year term products. The value in term is you can buy an awful lot of coverage for a short period of time. So when people buy life insurance, typically to replace their income, pay off their mortgage, put kids through school, basically to live your family in a position where it's not a hardship in the event of an untimely death. That has really come to the forefront with COVID and with everything going on in the world. People are more cognizant of life insurance now than ever before. But term insurance is an excellent way to provide lots and lots of coverage for a very small period of time, for a very small premium amount. And so you probably all heard the ads in most companies. There's carriers out there that specialize just in term insurance. So what we do for our clients is we spreadsheet a number of different carriers, because traditionally the carriers that are very, very good term insurance carriers, that's their forte, that's what they do. They don't really, they're not really a presence in the permanent world. But again, it's a great way to have a lot of coverage for your family for a very low premium amount. The second type is permanent insurance. Permanent insurance, again, is insurance for the rest of your life. That is life insurance that most people purchase for the rest of their life. They want it for a legacy for their children, possibly, burial expenses, whatever the need may be. But the difference is the policy is typically more expensive because it builds value within the policy. So you're actually building up cash value. And there's policies that people will use for a retirement account, so you can kill two birds with one stone, in that you are having a death benefit and also a retirement account. The industry has also changed dramatically because the thing that has really changed is chronic illness, critical illness, and long-term care riders that are attached to permanent insurance policies. So truly, you can kill two birds with one stone. So you can be buying a life insurance product that also acts as a very good long-term care product. And the nice thing is that money comes out of the contract tax-free, and you get to decide who the provider is, when the care is provided, who is providing the care, and where the care is provided. So lots and lots of flexibility. Again, this product is more expensive than term insurance, but it affords you also a lot more benefits. And the final thing that I use permanent insurance for is for high net worth individuals who are looking to create a tax-free income and a tax shelter. So we use life insurance because it's one of the few tools out there that money coming out of a life insurance contract is tax-free, and they can earn high rates of return within the internal buildup in the contract, and they get a tax-free income at the end. So the thing that you really need to remember is if you were to die prematurely, your spouse and your heirs are not going to care what kind of life insurance contract you have. The most important thing is the face amount. So the other thing is life insurance is a long-term contract. I tell people all the time, I sell a lot of life insurance, but I'm not a life salesman, because I believe that life insurance is there for that purpose. It is for life insurance. I don't really focus on what type of life insurance somebody is buying, because it's unique to them. It has to fit their circumstances and, more importantly, their budget, because it is a long-term decision. So you have to have a product that is both covers your needs and is affordable. So I like to look at myself as more of a problem solver, and that's probably what you should be looking for in whoever you do business with, is somebody who's going to solve the issues and is not high pressure, that is there to provide you with the information so you can make an educated decision. If you'd like more information on life insurance or any of the topics I've discussed, call us toll free at 877-887-3131, or look us up on the web at safemoneyspecialist.net.